Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me set the context for this video. In this video, we are going to build a basic beginner friendly notes app using Next.js. Let's talk about the tech stack which needed for this app. In this app, we are going to use Next.js, PostgreSQL for the database, and ORM we are going to use Prisma. Let's talk about the core functionalities. In this app, users can sign in, and make CRUD application operations. Users can create their post, delete their post, update their post, and read only their post. They can't access other users' posts. Only they can access their post only. Let's see how our UI look like. This is our landing page. We will have navbar on the top, and in the left side we are going to use logo. In the right side we are going to use sign up, and in the center of the page there will be welcome to Notes app, and there will be a button called get started. When users click get started, then other sign up page will open. Here they can fill their name, username, and email and password. For now I am adding only two just for the demo. In app I am going to add name, username, email, password, etc., and there will be text below here. If the user have already created account, then they can directly log in from here. These are all the core functionalities and how our basic UI look like. We are going to discuss homepage and other UIs in separate video. In this video, we are going to create a basic schema for our app using Prisma, and I am going to use PostgreSQL locally only. I am using pgadmin. If you don't have PostgreSQL locally, you can watch any tutorial on YouTube. There are plenty of it. You can watch any and follow them, and uh, you can download it. Let's create a basic database for our Notes app. Let me create. When you open pgadmin, the UI will look like this. In the left side, you will have server. Inside it, you will have Postgres, and then they will have database. So now we have to create a new database of our Notes app. So I am going to create it. Yeah, on database you are going to right click, then create, then database. It will ask for a name. I am going to type Notes app. Then click save. It will create a database our database for our Notes app. Actually, I have made Explone Mini using MERN Stack. You can check it out on Twitter. Sorry, X. Now we need to create a tables for this. We are going to create it using Prisma. Yep. Yeah, tables will come under this schema. Then you will have table here. Inside here, inside this, as for now, there is nothing. When we migrate it, then there will be user and notes table. Let me create a Next.js app. So open Next.js website. Then you will copy this npx create Next.js app and open the folder where you want to create a project. I'm going to open it. Here I am going to create it. So open the terminal. Then paste the command which you have copied. Then type notes app. npx create next app latest notes app. Press enter. Then it will have choose no. I will customize it. I am going to use TypeScript, then ESLint, then a React compiler, then I am going to use Tailwind CSS. It is asking for are you going to use source directory? Yes, I am going to use it. Then it is asking for app router. Yes, I am going to use it. Then it is asking for import alliances. Yes. Then it will create a basic Next.js app for us. Guys, now my Next.js app is completely ready. It is created. Now let's try to run the basic version of the Next.js app. npm run dev. Yep, it will run our Next.js app server. Then we are going to use this link http dot localhost 3000. Then I am going to open Chrome. Then paste the URL. Then I can see the our basic version of Next.js app, which is given by them only. First, we need to install the Prisma and Prisma client for this. So let's stop the server, clear the terminal, and let's install Prisma. Actually, Prisma we need to install only for dev dependency. So install npm install Prisma minus minus save minus dev. It will install Prisma for only dev dependency. Okay, let's wait for the download. After this installation, we need to install Prisma client. We are going to install it after when Prisma is installed. Let's wait. Yep, our Prisma is installed to dev dependency. Dev dependency means when the development stage, it will not work in production stage. Okay, let's install npm install at Prisma client. Yep, let's install Prisma client. It is installing. Yep, Prisma client has been installed. Let's clear the input. Now we need to initialize the Prisma. So we need to write npx Prisma init. When we run this, then Prisma will create a Prisma schema and prisma.config.ts. Okay, clear it. You can see now it created Prisma folder, and inside it you can see schema.prisma. Here we can write our models, and we have .env file also. Here we need to add our pgadmin database URL, and also we have prisma config.ts. Actually we are using Prisma 7 plus, so let's add .env. Okay, now I copied the URL. Now I am going to paste it, and let's change the database name to our database notes, sorry, notes minus app. Then username is going to be Postgres only. It is a default username. I have not changed it. For the password, I am going to change now. 70196. It is my password for pgadmin and the database. So I wrote the password. Let's create a schema for our notes app. So open the schema.prisma, then clear the comments. Then now I am going to write a schema for model user. Okay, model user. User will have ID that is going to be int and ID and default is going to be sorry default it is going to be auto increment. Then every user will have email. Then email is going to be string string. Why suggestion is not coming? Wait. Oh, sorry. I have used that here. We don't need to use that string string. Okay. Then every user will have password. Password is going to be string, and then every user will have their posts. So less, notes. Notes is equal to NOTE. No, notes of array. Now I am going to create the nodes model. Before that, let structure this. Okay. Then I will add created at. Created at is going to be date and time. Then at default, I am going to add now. Now I am going to create a model node. Node, and every node will have ID. Int. Int is going to be data type int, and at default is going to be auto increment. Then every node will have and title is going to be string, and then cont and content. Every nodes will have content, and then this nodes belongs to a particular user. So we will have user ID that is going to be in. Wait a minute. Then user. I am going to write a relationship for this user. Okay, at relation field user ID, reference ID on delete cascade. Then I will add created at created is going to be date and time, and default is going to be now. And I will have updated at updated at. It is also going to be date and now, and at default. Sorry. It is going to be updated at. Why error is coming? Wait. Actually, ID we need to add at ID in the ID. Yep. Let me structure this. Now it look perfect. Now it look perfect to me. Let me structure this user also. Okay. Now our Prisma schema look very good and structured. After designing schema, we are going to migrate it. So let me check everything is correct or wrong. Okay. Actually, I have made a spelling mistake in database, so it is showing error. Let me run again. I will run it again. npx prisma migrate dev minus main init. Yep. Now this will work perfectly, I think. Yep. It generated the tables in our PG admin. Let me open PG admin. I will show you where it is. Inside our nodes app DB, you can see schema. Under the schema, you can see table. When you open the table, you can see user and nodes. Under the node, you can see so many things and user also. That is it for this video, guys. In next video, we are going to create a Prisma client for it. Actually, wait, I will generate now only. npx Prisma generate. It will generate the Prisma client for us. npx Prisma generate. It will create a Prisma client for us. Yep, it is generated. Let's close. Let's clear the terminal. You can see in src folder, you can see generated folder. Inside this, you can see it is generated this also. In client, we need to use Prisma client also. We will see this in next video. In next video, we are going to create a Prisma client and we are going to write a APIs for CRUD operation and register and login also. Stay tuned, guys. Let's meet in the next video.